What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd do a quick video on the Toolpro one-person brake bleeder. I got this from Super Cheap Auto. It's about $18, 18 something, so just shy of 19 bucks will get this to you. As I'm just on the brakes and pads on the rear of my GDI. These instructions tells you what not to do, but it also doesn't really tell you what to do. So I thought I'd do a quick video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put a little bit of fresh fluid in the container covering the bottom of the hose, which is really hard to see on the camera here, but the hose basically touches the bottom, so you don't need much in there. Then you need to put it up a little bit higher than the valve itself, the brake bleeder valve. So it basically uses gravity to get the air out of the hose. In my situation, this one's an 8mm. So you put that on there first, obviously, because otherwise you won't be able to get it over this. Then you put this needle in here with the hose, and then you crack it open at a full turn. There. Alright. And then you leave it sitting like this, and then you can jump in the front and depress the brake pedal. Now I've already done this, so I'm just going to do it as like an example. Bear with me. Alright, so now that's all set up, I will go and press the brake pedal a couple of times. You can see what happens. There you go. So you basically want to give it a couple of good squeezes. As you can see, there's no air in the line, and that's all set to go. So just a quick tutorial on how to use the Toolpro one-person brake bleeder. Thanks.